Hello, friends. Welcome to another session on Code with Matt. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you love what you're learning on this channel, please hit the like button and also share these videos with your friends. Thank you. We have started a series on learning how to program C, and we have been looking at conditional statements. We've considered if-else statements, nested if-else statements, um, combined or complex if-else statements where we combine two different conditions with logical operators. Now we want to look at something very short and very lovely, ternary operators in C. So what is a ternary operator? Ternary operator is also the same thing as a conditional operator, and it's actually when you evaluate a single you evaluate a value just with a single statement, conditional statement, and it's a single line of conditional statement. So most of the times when refactoring your code, reducing the number of if-else statements you've written, you may want to consider using ternary operators. So without further ado, let's head over to VS Code where we see ternary operators in action. Okay, so what I've done here is I set up the boilerplate. For us to understand these ternary operators, we're going to write a program, and that program is going to print absolute values of any integer that the user enters. So what we want to do in this program is, of course, we are going to get integer input from user, and then we will print the absolute value. So just very simple program. Oh, so I need to comment this out. Okay, so in our program, so we first declare a variable. So int num for numbers. So right now we will not initialize it. So the next thing is we will print a prompt, printf. So enter number. So the next thing is we use scanf. So remember there are other ways to get input apart from scanf. So you can try to make a little research on those other ways. So %d, and we'll pass in the address. So now what we want to do is after getting the num, we want to just change that num. So num equals, so for us to have a ternary operator, this is the syntax. So we first have a condition. So let's say condition is a greater than b. So if a is greater than b, right? So you put a comma. So you put the expression. So we are testing this expression. Then if this is true, so that's what follows. So the what to do when this expression comes out to true, you put here. So you put the expression when true. And then the next thing followed by a colon, expression when false. So this is our condition. This is the condition we are testing. So let me just put this here. Let's change this to condition. So it tests for a condition. So this is the expression when that condition is true, and then this is the expression when the condition is false. So in this situation, we want to check if this number is lesser than 0, right? So our condition is num lesser than 0. So if the number is lesser than 0, we want it to be positive. We want to change it to a positive number. Sorry, a question. We want to change it to a positive number. So in this situation, if you have a number, for example, like -4, again, to convert it, we can either say -1, so we just multiply the number by negative times number. So this, of course, because negative multiplied by negative would result in positive, right? Or we can say 0 minus number. So 0 minus -4 is what? Is 4. So either of those would work. So let me just keep it as this. And then, so if this number is not less than 0, so that means we just want number to be equal to number. So let's print out the result. Printf. Send D the new line. Num. So that's the end of our program. Of course, let's always remember to return 0 to indicate that the program is successful. Okay, so this is a simple program. So let's compile this. GCC Ternary operator.c. Our output, let's name it T up for top. Okay, so if we run top, so top is requesting for a number. Let's say -7. So you see it prints out 7. So what if the number is 8? It prints out. So that is your absolute value. All right, guys. So you can change this. You can have different conditions. You can write a program on your own to try to test out ternary operators and understand them. Okay. So thank you very much, guys. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I release a new video. And if you like this video, you love what you've seen, please help me hit the like button and also share with your friends also so that I can reach out to more people. Thank you very much. In the next lesson, we will be concluding conditional statements and be looking at switch statements in C. Switch statements in C. Thank you very much. See you in the next session. Bye.